The healthcare woes of railway retirees. A call for government action. In a country witnessing a demographic shift towards an aging population, the plight of senior citizens, particularly retired railway employees, is a pressing concern that demands immediate attention. Despite promises of high-quality healthcare services by the Government of India's Ministry of Railways, recent incidents paint a grim picture of neglect and apathy towards these retirees. According to a UN report released last year, India's elderly population is set to increase significantly in the coming years, with railway retirees forming a substantial portion of this demographic. However, the reality faced by many of these retirees when seeking medical care is far from the promised standards. Two recent incidents highlight the distressing experiences faced by railway retirees in accessing healthcare services. In the first instance, Mr. Swapan Kumar Roy, a retired senior section engineer, found himself in a dire medical emergency and sought treatment at Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon. Despite being entitled to cashless treatment under the NER Umid card, bureaucratic hurdles and negligence resulted in his family being burdened with exorbitant medical expenses. Similarly, Mr. Sharma's ordeal at Chennai Zonal Railway Hospital underscores the systemic issues plaguing healthcare facilities catering to railway retirees. Despite being entitled to cashless treatment in a private ward, Mr. Sharma was subjected to substandard care and hostility from hospital staff. His legitimate appeals for proper care were met with bureaucratic red tape, forcing him to seek treatment at a private hospital at his own expense. These incidents are not isolated cases but emblematic of a larger problem afflicting railway retirees across the country. Many retirees, who once served the nation with pride as railway men and women, now find themselves abandoned by the very system they dedicated their lives to. The question now arises, will the Government of India take adequate steps to safeguard the health and well-being of the railway's senior citizens? Prominent pensioner organizations like Bharat Pensioners Samaj have highlighted these issues, yet concrete action remains elusive. It is imperative that the Ministry of Railways and concerned authorities address these systemic failures and ensure that railway retirees receive the medical care and support they deserve. Immediate measures must be taken to streamline bureaucratic processes, ensure adherence to prescribed procedures outlined by the Railway Board, and hold accountable those responsible for neglecting the health and dignity of railway retirees. As India marches towards a future where the elderly population constitutes a significant portion of society, it is incumbent upon the government to fulfill its duty of care towards its senior citizens, especially those who have served the nation with dedication and sacrifice. Anything less would be a betrayal of their service and a failure of our collective moral obligation. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel. Bharat Pensioners Samaj Jindabad.